Good day. Welcome to Pharmacovigilance A to Z, where you learn pharmacovigilance from scratch. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos, as I will be uploading videos concerning pharmacovigilance. Today I am going to talk about CRO in India. In my last video, I tried to define what a CRO is and the various services that a CRO can offer. Today I am going to continue to talk about a sponsor. Why should a sponsor outsource to a CRO? Commonly outsource clinical services, major sources of conflict. I want to remind you that CRO stands for Contract Research Organization. So let's start. Sponsor refers to the individual or organization that takes primary responsibility for the development, initiation, and oversight of a clinical trial or research project. The sponsor is accountable for ensuring that the trial is conducted in compliance with applicable regulations, guidelines, and ethical standards. Who can be a sponsor? 1. Pharmaceutical companies. Most often, sponsors are large pharmaceutical or biotechnology companies that fund and manage the development of new drugs. Academic institutions. Sometimes universities or research organizations may sponsor clinical trials, particularly in early phase or academic studies. Individual investigators. In rare cases, an individual clinical investigator may act as the sponsor if they have the necessary resources and responsibilities. Why should sponsor outsource to CRO? In short, outsourcing to a CRO provides sponsors with expertise, cost savings, efficiency, and flexibility, while helping to manage risks and ensure regulatory compliance. So let's explain in detail. Why should sponsor outsource to CRO? 1. Expertise. CROs bring specialized knowledge in clinical trials, regulatory requirements, and data management, ensuring high quality execution. 2. Cost savings. Outsourcing allows sponsors to reduce operational costs by leveraging the CRO's existing infrastructure and resources rather than building in-house capabilities. 3. Faster development. CROs streamline the clinical trial process, accelerating timelines and helping sponsors bring products to market more quickly. 4. Flexibility. CROs provide scalable solutions to match the size and complexity of trials, adapting to various needs throughout the development process. 5. Global reach. CROs offer access to international networks, enabling sponsors conduct multi-regional studies and reach diverse patient populations. 6. Risk management. CROs help mitigate risks related to trial delays, compliance issues, and data quality, increasing the likelihood of successful outcomes. 7. Regulatory compliance. CROs ensure that clinical trials meet the regulatory standards of multiple regions, reducing the risk of non-compliance. 8. Focus on core activities. By outsourcing clinical trial management, sponsors can concentrate on their main business areas like research, development, and commercialization. Commonly outsourced clinical services by sponsors in India. 1. Clinical trial management, clinical monitoring. 3. Data management for regulatory affairs. 5. Patient recruitment. 6. Biostatistics. 7. Pharmacovigilance. 8. Medical writing. Outsourcing these activities in India allows sponsors to access cost-effective, high-quality solutions while benefiting from the country's growing expertise in the clinical research field. Conflicts between sponsors and CRO in India. Some of the major sources of conflicts include: 1. Quality control. Disagreements over the quality of data, monitoring practices, or adherence to protocols can lead to conflicts. Sponsors expect high quality work, and any discrepancies or errors can damage trust. 2. Communication issues. Poor communication, including unclear expectations or lack of timely updates, can lead to misunderstandings about project progress, timelines, and deliverables. 3. Differences in priorities. Sponsors may prioritize speed and cost effectiveness, while CROs may focus on ensuring thoroughness and regulatory compliance. This mismatch in priorities can cause tension. 4. Budget overruns. Cost-related disputes can arise if a CRO exceeds the agreed upon budget, or if there are unexpected expenses that were not anticipated at the start of the project. 5. Delays and timelines. CROs may struggle to meet deadlines due to unforeseen complications or resource constraints, leading to delays that can frustrate sponsors who are eager to move the project forward. 6. Staff overturn. Frequent changes in key personnel working or on the project within the CRO can disrupt continuity and affect the quality of work, leading to dissatisfaction from the sponsor. 7. Lack of transparency. If a CRO is not transparent about trial progress, data collection, or challenges they are facing, sponsor may feel out of the loop, leading to mistrust and potential conflict. 8. Intellectual property disputes. Issues may arise regarding the ownership of intellectual property or the use of data generated during the trial, especially if the contractual terms are not clearly defined. 9. Scope creep. If the scope of a project expands beyond the initial agreement without proper adjustments to the timeline or budget, it can lead to disputes over additional costs or changes in deliverables. 10. Regulatory compliance. Sponsors expect CROs to ensure that clinical trials are conducted in strict adherence to regulatory requirements. Any issues related to compliance failures can cause significant conflict. By establishing clear communication, defined expectations, and robust contracts, many of these conflicts can be minimized or avoided. Thank you. Today I have come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe.